That's all there is to it. Oh, God. Oh. Wow. We've made it. We've made it.
Beautiful weather.
Look at this.
We picked the perfect weekend.
This is our site, bro. We have a dog.
Yeah, we just picked this one up on the way. His legs don't work. He forgot how to use them.
Yeah, we crushed them with all our stuff. They left us flowers. That's cool. Have a fire here. Put a little tent here. We got the woods. And then a lake. The plan is we're going to eat. We each have a couple sandwiches. We're going to eat, and then we'll set up. Sandwich time. Well, it already looks like Tacoma got pretty comfy in Kosta's spot.
As long as you're comfortable, huh?
That's all there is to it.
Tacoma's like, let's go.
Earlier this year in a small New York City bar.
That's all there is to it. That's all there is to it.
Okay, so that was kind of scary. I wanted to fly the drone, but I also saw that there was a lot of hawks here. And I saw like one or two way up in the sky, so I wanted to get some low shots so that I didn't have to encounter the hawks. And then that last bit where I flew back from Kosta and I, there were like 7 hawks that like were flying towards the drone, and I didn't want to have any part of that. So I landed it back real quick.
They were locking on. They saw prey and they were coming for it.
So we're heading back now. We still have, what time is it?
It is
6:30. We still have like an hour of daylight before it gets dark enough that we can have a fire. We only have 1 box of wood so far, so tomorrow we're gonna have to buy some more for tomorrow night. But we are cooking our dinner on that fire, so if we start it now,
we'll run out of wood.
We'll run out of wood.
In the dark.
So we're gonna have dinner kind of late tonight, but it'll still be fun. Our little tent up there, that's ours. That's ours. That's our tent.
Yeah, you do it. Just don't let go.
No! Yes! Okay, that works. That works, dude. 10,000 IQ. It is now time for your 360-degree tour of our campsite.
Oh yeah, you can see me.
Yeah, you can see Kosta over there. So, if you look down, you're on the campfire right now. So that's the campfire in the middle. If you come back up to me, and right there is our little table that we have everything set up. If you look kind of behind you, there's Kosta
sound like the Old Spice man. Look at Wayne. Now look at me. Now look back.
So there's Kosta. There's Tacoma chilling. It's a nice hot day. And then down the hill to the left is our tent. Our tent is down there, and that is where we are sleeping. And if you want to get an actual 360-degree view, back to me.
Look at your man. Now look at me. Now look at your man. Back at me.
We'll see how this turns out, because most of this work is going to be through, you know, post-production. All I'm doing is hitting record on this GoPro and stepping away. So this is going to be a lot of work in about a week when I'm editing this. All right, we're starting up the fire because there's so many mosquitoes that we figured we might as well just start the fire.
Get her going.
Let's get her going.
What? Go away, mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes, be gone.
I think we severely underestimated how cold it gets at night. I was really cold.
Yeah, it was really cold. I slept maybe like 3 hours last night. Tacoma was shaking. I felt so bad.
He's fine.
We had blankets.
He's
for him.
fine. He's fine.
Yeah, he's fine.
We got the morning sun down by the lake again. It's still not warmer in the sun. It's still pretty cold. After throwing some rocks, I've warmed up a little bit. So is Kosta and Tacoma.
Yeah, Tacoma definitely warmed up from throwing rocks.
I think it's almost time for some breakfast.
So we're getting the stove ready. We're gonna have some eggs. Problem with the eggs though, we had them in the cooler, and so the carton's just soaked. But the eggs are still good. Surprisingly, they didn't get crushed by anything in there. Ooh, they look good, Kosta. They look good.
Well, I forgot salt and pepper.
What the heck?
I ride my bike, I roller skate, don't drive no car. I ride my bike, I roller skate, don't drive no car. I've been, yeah, I got a brand new pair of roller skates, you got a brand new key. I got a brand new pair of roller skates, you got a brand new key. Oh yeah.
Okay, so we're going back down to the lake. Kosta's sister's fiance came. His name's Colin. We're gonna go fishing with him. There's Colin way down there. Way down there.
It's been a minute.
Oh, yeah. I ride my bike, I roller skate, don't drive no car. I ride my bike, I roller skate, don't drive no car. Yeah, I got a brand new pair of roller skates. You got a brand new key. I got a brand new pair of roller skates. You got a brand new key. Oh yeah.
All right, we got Chef Kosta over here.
Back at it again.
We're gonna boil some water. We're gonna have some. We're gonna have some spaghetti tonight. Except Colin. Colin's got his own.
Yep. I think I'm going chicken fajita bowl tonight.
All right, trying to start a fire.
round 2 for the day.
Round 2. Colin's been cutting up some wood, trying to get this. Trying to get a nice old bonfire going. Smoke got rid of all the mosquitoes that we were having. There was a big mosquito problem. I have like 5 bites on my leg. Tis the morning the next day. I definitely got burnt. I don't know if you can see it on my face. And I think I'm getting some major allergies. At least I hope it's allergies.
It better be allergies.
Colin's up there
In the hammock.
in the hammock. Okay, so Colin has a slingshot. So he's just gonna be shooting some of the stuff that's over there.
I'm standing behind Colin in
So
case
it
it
inevitably bounces back.
ricochets.
It might ricochet. We've protected
Protect
Tacoma.
to the best of our abilities for now. If we sense any danger, we'll reconfigure. But for now, I think we're good.
Hey. Used to believe in none, now I believe in some. I believe that everything happens for a reason. I believe that there is greatness inside all of us. Best believe what you believe is what you will become. That what ain't given is
It's about 2:30 right now. We're packing up. We're supposed to spend one more night, but it just seems a little bit more smart to go tonight, just because we don't have any wood. We don't have dinner for tonight. I feel like shit. It just makes sense.
Are you rolling?
Yeah.
Owen can't hang.
Okay.
Owen waterlogged the meat.
It was an experience, okay? We're putting everything away right now, and Colin's gonna leave in like 20 minutes, and then Kosta and I are gonna leave in probably like an hour or 2. It was a fun trip though, really fun. It would be nice to sleep in my own bed and not feel like shit.
The first night really got us.
Yeah, it was so cold the first night.
And you kind of look like death. In a great, I mean, you're fabulous, Owen. You're fantastic, but
You're such a great guy. Okay, we got everything kind of put away. Got our tent put away. Gonna load up Kosta's car and head home.
if we just come together.